Jack, where are you going? Jack, where are you going? Jack, ki kote ou pou ale? Jack, ki kote ou pou ale? I'm going to the store. I am going to the store. Mwen pou ale nan magazin. Mwen pou ale nan magazin. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Ki sa ou pou al fe? Ki sa ou pou al fe? I need to buy something. I need to buy something. Mwen bezwen achete kek bagay. Mwen bezwen achete kek bagay. Really? I need to go to the store too. Really? I need to go to the store too. Vraiment? Mwen bezwen ale nan magazin tou. Vraiment? Mwen bezwen ale nan magazin tou. Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? Eske ou ta reme vini avek mwen? Eske ou ta reme vini avec moi? Yeah, let's go together. Yeah, let's go together. Yeah, on aller ensemble. Yeah, on aller ensemble. Would you like to go now or later? Would you like to go now or later? Eske ou ta reme ale kounye a ou swa pita? Eske ou ta reme ale kounye a ou swa pita? Now. Now. Kounye a. Kounye. What? What? Kisa? Kisa? Now would be better. Now would be better. Kounye tapi bon. Kounye tapi bon. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, on aller. Okay, on aller. Should we walk? Should we walk? Est-ce que nous ta dwe marcher? Est-ce que nous ta dwe marcher? No, it's too far. No, it's too far. Non, li trop loin. Non, li trop loin. Let's drive. Let's drive. On conduit. On conduit. Jack, I'm coming here to buy something as well. Jack, I am coming here to buy something as well. Jack, mwen vini isit la pou m'achete kek bagay tou. Jack, mwen vini isit la pour m'acheter quelques bagailles tout. But I don't see my wallet. But I don't see my wallet. Mais moi pa wè bous mwen. Mais moi pa wè bous mwen. Really? I think it's inside your bag. Really? I think it's inside your bag. Vraiment? Mwen pense li an dan valiz ou a. Vraiment? Mwen pense li an dan valiz ou a. No, it's not there. No, it's not there. Non, li pa la. Non, li pa la. In my second thought, you forgot it in your house. In my second thought, you forgot it in your house. Nan deuxième pensée, ou te bliye li la kayou. Nan deuxième pensée, ou te bliye li la kay ou. Maybe it's a true thing. Maybe it's a true thing. Peut-être c'est yon bagay vérité. Peut-être c'est yon bagay vérité. Could it be possible for you to lend me $50? Could it be possible for you to lend me $50? Est-ce que c'est possible pour vous pour prêter $50? Est-ce que c'est possible pour vous pour prêter $50? No problem. Let's start. No problem. Let's start. Pas de problème. On commence. Pas de problème. On commence. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. Merci.